I wanted to say hello and welcome you. Now, you've probably done more than enough diets and challenges and start again Mondays to last you an entire lifetime. So I want to take this opportunity to reassure you right now that this is not another plan that you have to follow perfectly. This is a mindset shift that's going to help you finally feel calm and consistent and back in control again. Even when life's busy and messy, even when you're not being perfect. Because the truth is that there's nothing wrong with you. You've just never been shown how to build a relationship with food that's based on trust and not weird, strict rules. Diets have taught you to obey external plans, to override your hunger, to fear certain foods, and to equate success solely with the number on the scale. Worst of all is that now you see any mistake as a failure. So it's no wonder that everything feels so intense, so exhausting, or so all or nothing. But here's a shift that we're going to make together. You don't need more restriction. You don't need more discipline. What you need is tools that are going to help you reconnect. Reconnect with your body, with your patterns, with your own voice again so that you can trust it. This is a little bit about how the course is going to work. Now, each lesson is going to be short. It's going to be about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. There's a small number of tools that go along with these tasks, but not a mountain of things to do. Everything is designed to help you reflect, not just perform. Because that's where real change is. Real change doesn't come from following someone else's food rules. It comes from you finally understanding your own patterns and learning how you can respond with care and not just control. That's what this is all about. It's less time just listening to us. It's more time listening to you. You're not broken. You're just going to start doing things differently from now on. So let's get started.